Everyone keeps asking me why my puff puff is so rich and flavorful. Honestly, it's because of one small trick that most people never think about. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how I make soft, fluffy Nigerian puff puff that people literally cannot stop eating. Hi my stars, welcome back to Ijeoma Living. Today we are making one of the most loved Nigerian snacks from scratch. Trust me, it's very beginners friendly. Now I'm grinding the onions. Yes, this is the trick. Onions grinded. You will see how I incorporated it to the puff puff. I've not used this yeast for a long time, so I needed to test it to be sure it works. To test the yeast, you add warm water and a little bit of sugar for the yeast to see what to work with. You place it or set it aside. That is it. You wait for about 5 to 8 minutes, and if the yeast start rising, you will know it's active. Right now, I'm going to measure out the flour we'll be using for the puff puff. We all know that the best flour to use for puff puff is all-purpose flour. Very, very important. All-purpose flour with no added any stuff is the right flour for this Nigerian puff puff. So sieve the flour. You don't want any particles or any kind of wavels or whatever that stays in the flour. 4 cups. I added 1/4 cup of milk to give it that milky flavor, and I'll be using nutmeg for the flavor of this puff puff. You can use like vanilla flavor, butterscotch flavor, and a lot of other flavor, but to get the real Nigerian puff puff taste, use nutmeg and the original nutmeg. This one I grated. Yes, it will give you that authentic Nigerian puff puff taste. Mix your dry ingredients together. Now let's check the yeast to know if it works. Yes, it's activated. So we pour in the yeast, and meanwhile I want to tell you guys something. It's very important to use warm water for your puff puff. It makes the puff puff start rising immediately and all that. It makes everything fast. You can see I just poured in the blended onions. These blended onions, if you have not tried this recipe, please try it. Somebody gave me this recipe and it's very, very good. You will not even know they added onions to this puff puff, but it gives a very delicate taste to your puff puff. And people will keep asking you, how did you make the puff puff? Because they cannot see the onions, but inside the puff puff it gives a very unique taste to the puff puff. So if you have not tried blending onions for your puff puff, or yeah, do it and thank me later. Are we following? So now I want to use my hand to whether I beat, whether I whip the puff puff. I want to do that. So whip, beat, whatever, just do it until you get a stretchy batter. After that, you cover your puff puff batter to rest for about 10 to 25 minutes, like that. So this is how you put puff puff in the oil. I believe everybody knows how to do that. It's quite easy. You mustn't get it right in the first instance. So keep trying. That's it. So cover it. You can cover it with towel or use a fling nylon as I did in the video. You set it aside to rest. While it's resting, feel free to arrange your kitchen, all the stuff you've used, keep them. And now that it has rested, it's time to add oil in the pan for frying the puff puff. I'm going to beat this batter again. There is 2 reasons why I'm doing that. To get the right consistency for your batter, it makes your batter light. It makes the puff puff light when you are frying it. It prevents the puff puff from absorbing oil. You see some puff puff, it will be heavy like what you don't know. It's because it absorbs oil. But when you beat the batter after it has rested, it makes the puff puff airy, light in the inside. This is a very simple trick. I hope you guys are following. Oh yeah, say thank you in the comment section. Say thank you, Ijeoma. Oh yeah, say it. Write it. So this is how you fry puff puff. For Nigerian puff puff is very easy and is very, very, very tasty, especially when you use this step-by-step recipe. Fry the puff puff until it's golden brown. If you want it very dark, is your choice. If you want it lightly brown, is your choice. So if today is your first time of coming across my channel, hello, I am Ijeoma. This channel is Ijeoma Living. Is me, Ijeoma Living My Life. This is a Nigerian cooking channel and I make a lot of Nigeria dishes, Nigeria snacks, Nigeria drink. If you want to learn how to make Nigeria food, this is a channel to be in. Don't forget to like this video and share to somebody that needs this simple puff puff recipe. Alright, let's continue. So this is the last batch of the puff puff. I made it very small. So if you want small puff puff, you can mold it small. It's your choice. Puff puff is very versatile and it's very enjoyable. Like you can eat one and literally eat 10 at the same time. So if you enjoy this recipe, feel free to subscribe if you are yet to do so, and like this video. We have come to the end of this Nigerian puff puff recipe. Feel free to leave a comment and don't forget my thank you, okay? And I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.